what next? What next? I think I have to pack my hand luggage again. So, guys, I've created two content on this flash drive, but my phone fell down with it and it stopped working. So I don't know how I'm going to access all my content, my videos in this flash drive. But anyways, I bought another one. Hoping this is good. Yeah. I've decided to go on an adventure. It's a bit scary because I'm going by train and it's gonna take me 28 hours to arrive where I'm going to. I don't know if I made the right decision or not, but then I struggled to get a train ticket to this place I'm going to. Still in China. Yeah, it's in China, but yeah. I struggled to get not even if like a train ticket because recently, schools are on vacation, so I'm very sure a lot of people are going back home. And also the Chinese New Year is approaching, so many people are traveling back home and all. So it's a bit competitive and it's very hard to get train tickets. Flight ticket, I think flight tickets are available. But here in China, people prefer to use train instead of like taking the plane or so. Yeah, I think I've now become Chinese people now who prefer to use train. I don't know why. I just always get scared also of using the plane for some random reasons I don't even know about. But yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to pack up my clothes because my journey starts tomorrow morning at exactly 11 something. I don't even know. But then I don't know if I made the right decision. I've never been on a train for over 8 hours before. I've never been for over 5 hours. I think the highest I've been on a train is 3 hours. If I can remember, that was when I was coming from my city to Beijing, from Changchun to Beijing. But tomorrow I'll be on a trip for over 28 hours. That is one day, 4 hours plus. I hope I can survive. So I'm going to be sitting. And funny enough, I got a ticket for sitting, not a ticket that has beddings or so, because I booked it very late, and that was just the extra space that was available. Reason B was because someone actually like Piao. Piao is cancelled their tickets, so it was just one person who cancelled the ticket, and then I was able to like grab it before someone else grabbed it. So yeah, um this is a long journey for me. And that's the reason why I won't be sleeping tonight, so that I'll go and sleep inside the train. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna cope. Like I don't know who do this. There are tickets for 32 hours. I've even seen 38 hours. Hey. Anyways, guys, I just want to pack my clothes and let's see how tomorrow is gonna be. I don't know. I can already feel the struggle now. And now I'm bad with folding my clothes. The bag I'm carrying is very, very small because I don't want something heavy. So I'm just carrying something small. So yeah, guys, pack with me. I'm done packing. Yeah, I'm good to go. So yeah, Um, what are the things I'm not needing? I don't know. Um, yeah, let's see. What next? What next? I think I have to pack my hand luggage. So I'll be going with this bag. Yeah, I'll be using this bag as my hand luggage. Someone gifted me this bag for my birthday. That's Valentino. And when I opened the gift, I was like, oh wow. Since I came to China, I've never carried a big bag like this. Like guys, see the bag. It's very, very big. Right? Even when I was back home, I don't really think I carry bags like this. But then I think this is just the perfect time for me to use this bag. Because since the person gifted me, I was like, it seems I can't use this bag in China. Maybe somewhere else because I'm here. I don't really go to a lot of places like I need to use a bigger bag. I bought a lot of snacks because I don't know what I'll be eating inside the train for over 24 hours. I don't know what I'll be eating. But then I got some snacks. So most of my snacks will go inside this bag and some other things I have.
Into 24 hours journey, guys. I'll buy this one.
32块八，你有袋吗？
袋子没有。
没有袋子啊。好，给个这个袋子啊。32块。好了。好，快。对，5块5块。
8元。
啊，好嘞。
Oh, I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. So this will go that way. and this can just go that way. Yeah. For snacks, I have my drinks here. My drinks here. I won't start drinking it, but then it's okay. And then I bought this water. I bought this water. I don't know. My friend said I should buy everything I need before I enter the train because if I buy them inside, it will be very, very expensive. I don't know how expensive it will be on the train, but then my friend advised me to buy everything I want to eat before I enter the train. Yes. So that's why I'm like, okay, I'll buy everything I need. Meanwhile, I'm avoiding eating too much on the train. I don't know how my stomach is going to react to that, like eating too much tomorrow. 24 hours plus on the train, guys. Oh my god. 28 hours. I don't know where I got the boldness from, honestly, but then it is well. So this bag is mainly for junks. And then, okay, this bottle will be good for this. So guys, see, I bought this bottle. It's good for traveling, portable. Yeah, you see, very nice. And then what else? What else? Uh, my roommate gave me this. Thank you so much, roommate. She gave me this for the train. So yeah, I feel like eating it now, but no, tomorrow. I'll be needing a flash drive. Recently, my iPhone has been peppering me with space. And before now, this is the flash drive I use. Created like 2 contents on this flash drive, but my phone fell down with it and it stopped working. So I don't know how I'm going to access all my content, my videos in this flash drive. But anyways, I bought another one. Hoping this is good. I don't know. I bought another one. Yeah. So this is how I use it. This is very portable. Yeah, compared to that one, kind of small. So I just plug this inside my phone, and instead of my videos using my internal storage or so, to just be using this USB storage. Yeah. So that's why I got this for my travel vlog, because I know I'll be creating a lot of content for that 7 days, and as I know iPhone to just give you shock of your life and just see storage full when you have amazing content to create, especially when you want to create, you want to capture some good moments, and then your phone is just telling you storage full. I don't know if you've experienced that before, honestly. But yeah. Ew. So I have this, that's cool. This is also 64 gig, and then it came with all these accessories and all. This one, oh, this one is if I have an Android mouse, I can attach this to it. Okay, so this is for my iPhone. It has the iPhone plug, and also for Android plug as well. But then I don't have an Android phone. I have an Android phone, but then it's Type C, not Type C. Oh, this is Type C. Okay, it has Type C as well. Okay, wow, that's good. Okay, let me see. Where's my Type C? Let's see if it will work. But then it's not working. Oh, it work. USB drive. Wow, okay. That's good. Oh, it's working. USB drive. Okay, wow. So I can even use it on 3 devices. Okay, so I have a drive for this as well. Yeah, that's nice. I didn't know it came with. I only bought for iPhone, but then I think the company sent me two more. So that means I can either use for my iPhone, my Android, or Type C, anyone. Yeah, and then this is the storage. I just stored this one there and hold the brand name. This is what Kensi. Kensi. I don't know. Maybe it's a Chinese brand. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I bought this for 81 yuan. 81 yuan in dollars is about It's 1 yuan in dollars is that's $10, $10.9. And then to Naira is for anybody in Nigeria watching me and you're interested, this in Naira is 81 times exchange rate now. Black market rate today is I think 188. This is 15,228 in Naira. 15,228. Wow. Okay, not bad. Anyways, let me attach it to my bag here, to my handbag here. I don't know if it's wise of me to do that because I don't want to put it inside my luggage. Okay, no worries. This my bag even came with this external bag. Let me remove this here. Okay, that's good. And then I dip it inside. All right. Oh, I must not forget this. So this real G, my real G. Hey, I must not forget you. My selfie stick. Nah, never. In fact, I should put it inside my bag. You have a special place in my heart. So you should belong here. Can it fit? Yeah, it fits. I don't want to put you inside any luggage. Okay. Yeah. By the time I'm done with the whole trip, I think this bag will be lighter because I only have my groceries here. I'm stressed. Oh. I'm not going to sleep. And I will not sleep. I will not sleep. I will not sleep. What here? Okay. I also got this thing too. It can access. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. I don't know the name, but then as you can see, if I connect my phone with this, I can have access to my flash drive, and I can still charge my phone and all. So yeah, this one too. You can when I plug this inside my phone, I can have access to my earpiece. If you're using the earpiece and you want to charge, for iPhone you only have one port. So if you want to listen to music while charging your phone, then this is very good for you. If you're using an iPhone user where you don't have two ports, not like Android. At least see Android now has two ports. I can charge my phone. I can charge my phone and still use my earpiece port. But for iPhone, no. So that's why this is very very useful while charging your phone. You can charge your phone with this and then use your earpiece here. It's good. And if you're charging your phone, this is for option of is either you're charging your phone, earpiece, and then you can put your flash drive or whatever, anything you want to put inside there. I don't know. Yeah, you can put it. But then there's even something bigger than this that has space for charging, earpiece, and so many other things. I don't know. Crazy. Yeah. I think inside this brush has a toothpaste. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, I took this from an hotel. There was one time I lodged in an hotel when I traveled to Tianjin. It's not even toothpaste. I thought it was toothbrush. And it's saying comb here, but then I'm just seeing it now like comb, but then I didn't pay attention to this. I was just feeling like this is brush. Oh my god. Just imagine I didn't carry this extra. And imagine I'm thinking this is brush. That is how I will receive the shock of my life tomorrow when I'm about to brush my teeth. And I'm like, what's this? I didn't know. Okay, but then I don't need this. I already made my hair, so I don't need this. So I'll just better drop it at home. Then my toothpaste. I never carry toothpaste, so oh my god. That reminds me. I'll carry it later. And then what else? I think that was all. Guys, I didn't have enough space, so I don't have space for shoe. It's the one I'm going with. That's what I will use for 7 days. Oh my god. I don't like that. I wear one shoe back to back. I don't like it. But then I have no option because there's no space anymore. I have to wear this buga buga. But then I will have to like clean it, my boots. And I think that is all. Let me just prepare some food. I won't be, I don't know if I should take some also tomorrow on the train. I don't know. Because it seems I might not get microwave there. But it is what it is. I think I should not eat too much. Oh, hey. I don't want to eat too much.
So guys, I'm set. Good to go.
Yeah, guys, this is my taxi.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's a call. You put for me.